Hello everyone, this is Karen here, and for my micro-teaching class today, I am going to teach my kids about ordinal numbers. So this is a class that I've already taught to my existing kids in real life. The target audience for this class are Korean 6th grader students who are learning English as their second language. Before we dive into this, I'd like to give you guys a little bit more background information about my kids. So most of them are able to count from 1 to 50. Some struggling kids can only count up to 20, but nevertheless, they are able to count some numbers. And the reason why we're doing ordinal numbers as a mini lesson is because we are starting a new chapter in the textbook where ordinal numbers are used in the key expressions. So the purpose of this lesson is to familiarize them with ordinal numbers so that they're able to understand and utilize them freely when we're navigating through the textbook chapter. So let's get started. We're going to learn about ordinal numbers. So what are ordinal numbers, everyone? We can use ordinal numbers in many ways. So first of all, let's look at these two words, ordinal numbers. You know numbers, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. But what about ordinal? What does that mean? First, I'm going to give you some hints. We can use it to talk about school grades. For example, what grade are you in? I'm in the 6th grade. Floors in an apartment building. Which floor do you live? I live on the 10th floor. Okay, competitions. What place did you get? I got first place. Positions. Which one is your mom? The second one. Dates. What day is it? It's April 1st. So let's look at this slide very quickly here. What is the one thing in common that all of these expressions have? Do you see it? Yes, we see some numbers, okay? So we have 6, 10, 1, 2, 1, okay? But for example, for 1, did I say 1 or did I say first? First, right? What about this one? Did I say 2? I didn't say 2. It has a different word, right? I said the second one, second. So these are what we call ordinal numbers. They're numbers that are used to put things in order. For example, grades, floors, competitions, positions, and dates. All right, everybody, what number is this? 1. What if I do this? Does anyone know how to say this word? First. Okay, repeat after me. First. First. I'm going to write it on the board, right? F-I-R-S-T. While circling S-T. Do you see the pattern here? It ends with S-T, which is why we have a little S-T at the top of number 1. Let's look at another example. What number is this? 2. Very good. What about now? Second. Okay, repeat after me. Second. Very good. And this one, 3. What about now? Third. Okay, one more time. Third. Next one, 4. Good. What about now? Fourth. Fourth. As you can see, all of the endings of these words are the same ending with the actual spelling of the words. So if you don't remember, try to spell out the word. If you know the spelling, you know the ending. So let's look at the next one. We have first, second, third, fourth. Is it 5? No, because 5 does not end in th, right? We call this fifth. Okay, everyone? Fifth. Just like 15th. 15th. Okay, th for all of them. So what about this one? 8th. Very good. And this one? 11th. Okay, this one? 14th. Okay, so as you can see, we only have 3 to 4 special ones, right? All of these are th. We have first, second, third, and fifth, because that's different pronunciation, not 5th, 5th. But 4 is not special. 4 is fourth. Just the word 4 plus th. 6 is 6 plus th. 7th, 7 plus th. They're all the same. So all we need to do is remember some key important ones. First, second, third, and fifth. okay? So if we see 21 here, what do we call this? 21st, because we know 1 is the special one, all right? Same thing here, 22nd, 23rd. What about 26 here? Yep, that was a trick question. This is indeed just a normal one, 26th, okay? Nothing special. What about this one? 30th, 30th, like 20th. So these ones are also a little special. It's not super different, but the pronunciation is a little different, so we gotta be careful. This one is 20th. Okay, everyone? 20th. And this one is 30th. 30th. What about 40? 40th. Very good. 50. 50th. Good job. And this one is the same as this one. They're all special ones. 31? No. 31st. Very good. All right, let's move on. Okay, now that we have learned first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I'm going to ask you guys a question, okay? This is the key expression for this chapter. What grade are you in? So you need to use this template and answer my question. I am in the blah blah grade. Let's practice. What grade are you in? I am in the first grade. Okay, good. Repeat after me. What grade are you in? Go. I am in the second grade. Your turn. Good. I am in the third grade. I am in the fourth grade. I am in the fifth grade. I am in the sixth grade. Very good. Now I'm going to pick two people, A and B, and I want you guys to practice, okay? So A, you're going to ask question, what grade are you in? And B, pick any of the ones here and answer the question, okay? Go. Okay, I'm going to do this for maybe four pairs of kids, okay? And then the next one, alphabet names. This is another key expression that will be introduced in the textbook, so I will cover it here. All right, everyone, so the second key expression is how do you spell your name? So when someone asks you, how do you spell your name? You have to say the letters. So this is Kelly. How do you spell it? K-E-L-L-Y. Very good. Ashley, how do you spell your name? A-S-H-L-E-Y. Perfect. Okay, so now partner work. I want you to partner up and do the same thing, okay? What grade are you in? I'm in the third grade. Do it for all of them. And then for this one, how do you spell your name? Pick a character and spell the name. So A, how do you spell your name? B, H-A-R-R-Y, blah, 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 like that, okay? So I will give you 5 minutes. Do activity A and activity B together, okay? All right, everyone, time's up. And that goes my micro teaching class for today. Thank you guys so much for watching.